I'm gonna show you exactly what it looks like to lose weight in 90 days. Aren't you tired of influencers just talking about how to lose weight, but never actually showing how? Get your protein, walk 10k steps, don't give up, believe in yourself. Like, yeah, we know it's easier said than done. There are countless videos on this topic, and everyone acts like they've unlocked the secret to weight loss. But when you actually click, it's just the same recycled tips we've heard a million times. Nothing new, nothing helpful. Just the same old advice pretending to be something special. Like, please stop with the fake ass thumbnails. Give us something real. So, I decided to be the first to actually show you what weight loss really looks like. I gained weight on purpose, just to show you the process. No sugar-coated nonsense. And not just a little weight. I ate constantly for months to build actual body fat. Because when you gain it fast, it drops fast. But I didn't want fast, I wanted real. If you look at my recent videos, you probably noticed I've gotten a little chubbier. That was intentional. My abs are gone. My legs got thicker. I can't fit into my old jeans. Even people around me keep saying I've gained weight. And now, I'm recording every step of me losing it all for 90 days straight. You know what? I'm already 30 days in. And if you join my membership, you'll get early access to new videos, behind the scene content I never post on my main channel, and daily updates on what I eat, kind of like Instagram stories, but in a pre-paid space just for us. It's gonna be raw, unfiltered, and real as hell. And I know you're gonna love it. Let's go. I feel heavy and bloated pretty much all the time. I'm tired and hungry. The jeans I used to love, they don't fit me anymore. There were moments I got so hungry and I was like, I could really kill someone if I wanted to.
Hey, yo!
Guys, I kinda don't wanna go to the gym. No! I need some motivation! You're not tired. I'm not tired at all. Which is just so interesting. I seriously wanna move to another country. Girl, like, wow, what time the hell did you guys wake up? You know what? Even old grandma and grandpa run better than I do.